Hi everybody, Cookies and Playdate here. Today we are going to unbox this very fun Lalaloopsy doll. Yeah, it's called the Lalaloopsy Baby's Potty Surprise. And her name is Surprise, yes, Jewel Sparkles. Sparkles, yeah. It says I magically poop surprises. Yeah, she will poop surprises here when we feed these 3 different food. So what else?
And it is called, the flavors are called grape, apple, and carrot.
Wow, okay, let's open this up. Are you guys excited?
Yes! Yay!
Okay, let's see what this is. Okay. It comes with a little bowl.
To feed the flavors.
Yeah, food. Okay. Then it comes with
a spoon to carry the flavors to give it to its mouth.
Okay. And then the baby, Jewel Sparkle. Isn't she cute?
Yeah.
Oh. Stocks. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Jewel Sparkle. Yay. Okay. What we get next is all the food. Oh, let's open this one first. Okay. So next is the. I guess this is the potty. All right. Put it here. So here we go. These are the foods. This is carrot. This is grapes.
Grape. And the other one is apple.
You can get it out. Apple. Yes. Mine. Everything is yours, right?
Except the grape. I'm holding it.
Okay. So here it is. It comes with Jewel Sparkles and it has a pacifier.
To open its mouth.
Yeah. It comes a really cute bib.
Of a picture.
Hands. Okay, so what flavor should we do first?
How about apple?
Okay, let's. Ooh.
So you put it.
I think you have to mix it up a bit. It's mushy. You wanna see how it feels? Yeah. Now I think we have to
Do that, yeah.
put it tight here.
And then you feed it. Oh.
Okay, put it back.
And pacifier on.
And then no, you have to do this.
Is it going to place?
There. Now put it inside. And then I think baby cry. I think she wants to potty, right?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe she does.
Okay. Now it's ready to potty. What shape is this gonna be? Guess.
I have no idea. I know you have to do this.
Boop boop. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see what shape is the poop? Okay. Ready? Surprise!
It's a flower.
It poops flower, everyone. Yay! So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Do you guys want to try a different shape?
Yep. Again.
To get a different shape, I think we need to turn this button. It will be a surprise, but it will be a different shape than we got the last. Okay? Jewel Sparkle is hungry again, girls. I want some grapes.
Oh my God.
Do you have grapes?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, let's eat grapes.
So,
Okay. Let's feed Jules Sparkle some grapes. Okay?
okay.
Okay. You wanna try squishing it?
Yeah.
Squeeze.
It's mushy like Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh.
It's like Play-Doh, huh?
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
It's kind of hard to scoop up.
Okay. Well, let's feed the baby. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? Feed Dad. Oopsie. The baby made a mess.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Eat?
Let's see. Let's see what the baby pooped. You wanna see?
Yeah.
Ready? Go! What shape is this? Oh, I guess it's not. Maybe we have to squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, let's feed the baby again. Let's try this again. Ah, baby. Oh. Okay, baby. Okay, go put in there.
This time, come on.
Oh, okay, it's inside. Baby is full now.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Baby gonna poop poop? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Okay. Poop 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 poop. Ready? Oh! What shape is this?
A star.
A star. It pooped a purple star. Wow. Hey. Oh, I guess he's hungry again. Let's feed it.
Carrot.
Carrot, yeah. Let's see. Let's open it up.
This one's a bit harder. Oh! Okay, now let's put it in the bowl. So we put
Yeah.
it over here. Where's the spoon? Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. We have to pack this really tight so that it will easier. It will be easier to wait.
There.
Be easier
It's
to
ready to
create the
feed.
shape. Okay, do you want to feed it?
Say,
Say ah. There.
There we go.
There we go. Baby's full.
And now let's turn
Time
the
to
flower.
poop poop again. Oh, we need to turn the back. Don't forget. So it creates a different shape.
Ready? Let's turn the flower. Ready?
Poop, 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 poop. Poop, 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 poop.
I think.
Are you ready to see the shape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what is it?
Surprise!
Whoa! It's a button.
It's a button. It's an orange button.
But isn't it carrot because it's orange?
Yeah, it's carrot. Well, I think the baby is full now, so let's pack this up. Yay! I am so full. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. We had so much fun playing with Jules Sparkle, and hopefully you guys have fun watching too. See you next time. Bye bye.